Good day everyone, I am Cadet John Lorenzo Kagata from Betelgeuse 3. Today we will be gonna discuss about display of system database information and scale. So first, let us discuss system database information. So what is system database information? So in the maritime industry, system database information usually refers to the stored data inside the ship's navigational system, especially in the electronic chart display and information system, or what we call ECDIS. So it is the information stored in the ECDIS system database that helps the officer of the watch OOW. So this includes both chart-related data and system-generated data. So here is an image or a visual aid of system database information. So the contents of the system database information is, first we have the electronic navigational charts, second user chart information, third sensor inputs, and lastly we have the system settings. So inside the system settings we have here the depths of main information regarding in the ECDIS. So what is the purpose of system database information? So the purpose is to give the navigator an up-to-date accurate information and complete picture of the vessel's position and surroundings. So to integrate real-time ship data like position, heading, and speed with static chart data for decision making. So as we all knew that system database information is already a system that is overlay inside the ECDIS. So without this, it will give a hard time about the navigator or the officer on watch getting its data rather than to have a manual. Next, we will gonna be discuss about the scale. So let us know what is scale. So scale means the ratio between a distance on the chart and the actual distance on Earth. So ECDIS allows the navigator to zoom in or zoom out, changing the display scale of the electronic navigational chart. Again, so scale is a zoom in or zoom out that can be used in the ECDIS. So we have here the difference between the small scale and the large scale. So first is the small scale. So the small scale charts, we have here 1,500 show a large area but less detail, useful for passage planning only. And here we have the large scale charts, which is we have the 1:10, show a small area but more detailed, useful for harbor approach and coastal navigation. Next slide. So here is an image or an example of scaling. As you can see, we have here a highlighted circle red. So the zoom in is which is the larger red, which has a box outside. So it indicates there it's already zoom in and shows and indicate information or specific information. And we have the large scale, which is the small circle. As you can see, it is very wide and open. Next is its purpose of the scale. So in the maritime industry, the purpose of scaling is to ensure navigators to see the appropriate level of detail depending of the voyage stage. For the ocean passage is for the small scale, coastal passage for medium scale, piloting on berthing for the large scale. So to avoid navigational errors such as missing hazards when using the wrong scale. So that ends for my discussion. I hope you learned something. So that's all. Thank you.